I'm sure not only you have a mobile phone, but your customers also have a mobile phone. So if you can make your customers have a seamless buying experience, and that's what the customer wants.
I'm just wondering how they save their customers. The people who sell to me online, because I buy a lot online, I can see Esther X, George Gas. How do you save your customers on your phone? Exactly this way.
Yes. Yes. You're blaming customers.
So when you have a lot of eggs in your stock, you will call your customer, have you finished your eggs? I can deliver you more. And I have a better price. You know? Those small things that you take for granted can make you earn a lot of money for your business.
Sister, can I just add some? Automatically groups you into that one account. Like we have a business account, you turn your WhatsApp to business account. Yes. So it turns like every time whoever wants to talk about something, it's going into that business account. So we will see you on that particular group. Or this is my my customers in this one group. So, but it's using one cell phone number, but they are in this one group. Hello, they are in this one group. Yes. It's a business account there. A WhatsApp business account. Yes.
The beautiful thing about WhatsApp business accounts, it also gives you a way to put your catalog, all the items that you sell. And whenever a customer chats you, do you have maybe, let's say, baby wear? By just sensing the word baby wear through artificial intelligence, it's able to display the catalog of the baby wear that you have in your catalog. So it keeps growing, keeps better. And it's a challenge. If you don't have a business account on WhatsApp, please open one to sell, to allow the customers know what you are doing. I know there are different ways that you can do payments, to accept payments, automate your payments. And there's Momo. Do you know Momo?
Yes.
Among many others that you have, I haven't learned from you. We talk about point of sale. If you know your customers have cards, allow them to swipe and pay for products in your business. I know your bank might give you a cost, but if that can make more people buy from you, instead of looking for a place to go withdraw their money, make them more comfortable swiping their cards. Plus, these many others, Zappa, Visa. If you have any of those cards to support your business, please allow them to use.
I just know that they use a lot, and they can confirm, they use a lot of a QR code, scan to pay.
Yeah.
That's, I found to be the most common
one.
Yes.
It's what you're calling EFT.
No, EFT you send.
He sends. The QR code is come with a product, then I will scan. It's connected to your bank, then you will get scan to pay. Right. So if you can have QR codes for your products, then have them generated and placed on your somewhere in your business where you can be able to scan and pay. And some videos that I'm sharing this material with you, and you can watch them. You can have, besides your normal Facebook, you can have your business page on Facebook. A business account on your
WhatsApp.
And if you don't know how